Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Shantipura in Nuwara is a village located in the highest point above sea level in Sri Lanka. Majority of its people earn their living by vegetation and cultivation, which does not suffice their day-to-day life. This village is a multi-ethnic community which consists of people who deserve a helping hand. In this village, Zamzam Foundation implemented their first Knowledge Center concept. Knowledge Center is a multi-purpose community center which facilitates all community activities. Activities like preschool, tuition, human empowerment, counseling and vocational training. This building's ground floor was completed by the generous contributions of Mr. Adam Tawfiq from the United Kingdom. Zamzam's vision is to build such knowledge centers to every deserving community.
நாங்கள் எல்லாரையும் கண்ணியப்படுத்துறோம்.
අපි සියලු දෙනාවම ගෞරව කළ යුතුයි.
பெற்றோர்களை,
දෙමව්පියන්ව,
டீச்சர்,
ගුරුවරුන්ව,
மதகுருமார்கள்,
ආගමික නායකින්,
மற்ற மதங்களை,
සියලු ආගමික නායකින්,
வயசுல மூத்தவர்களை,
වයසින් වැඩිමල් අය
எல்லாரையுமே கண்ணியப்படுத்துறோம்.
සියලු දෙනාටම අපි ගරු කළ යුතුයි.
ஆனா யாரையுமே வணங்க மாட்டோம்.
ඒ වුණාට අපි කාටවත් වන්දනය කරන්නේ නැහැ.
வணங்குறது ஒரே ஒரு அல்லாஹ்வுக்கு மட்டும்தான்.
ඒ වන්දනය කරන්නේ අපි එක දෙවියන් වන අල්ලාහ් සුබ්හානහු තාලාව පමණයි.
அத்தான் லா இலாஹ இல்லல்லாஹ்.
ඒ තමයි ලා ඉලාහ ඉල්ලල්ලාහ් කියන්නේ.
அது எங்களுடைய அடிப்படையான நம்பிக்கை.
ඒ තමයි අපගේ පරම ප්‍රථම அதிஷ்டான பரமார்த்தයයි.
அதனால யாரும் தப்பாக நினைக்க கூடாது. முஸ்லீம்கள் இப்படி நாங்க அவங்கள கும்பிட்டா எங்களை கும்பிடுறாங்க இல்லைன்னு யாரும் நினைக்க.
ඒ වගේම අපි අනිත් අය වන්දනය කරන්නේ නැහැ කියලා ඒ වැරදි විදිහට අර්ථකථනය කළ නොයුතුයි. ඒ හින්දා තමයි අපි ඒක කරන්නේ නැත්තේ.